Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. I'm Marie Eriksson, and I'm excited to show you how to make the red poppy earrings. These earrings use a few of my favorite lines that we have. This is a Green Girl Studios Poppy Link with Swarovski Crystal, and the bezel is by Nunn Design. Okay, let's get started. To make the red poppy earrings, we will be using the 14 by 10 Royal Red Shiny Swarovski Crystal Pear Fancy Stone, a pair of the Pewter Organic Pear Bezel by Nunn Design. This is an open-backed bezel. We'll also use the Pewter Poppy Link by Green Girl Studios, a 5.5 millimeter sterling silver 18 gauge open jump ring, and the 21 millimeter sterling silver French hoop ear wire by TierraCast. To glue in my bezels, I will be using the E6000 with a toothpick. So let's start there. If I take my bezel and I put a little bit of glue out on my Post-it note, these come really in handy for doing this kind of work, and I'm just using a regular toothpick. So the trick is to get the glue just on this inside of the bezel. Since it's open backed, we don't want a lot going through. So just pick up some of your glue and just start putting it on the inside of this bezel. It looks like I need a little bit more. We really like using the E6000 glue for gluing in our Swarovski crystal into these. There we go. Okay, I'm going to pick up my crystal and just drop it in and just push a little bit, and then let's check the back. If you do have some poking through, you can always take your toothpick and just kind of clean it up a little bit. Okay, now we can put that aside. They really take about 24 hours to dry, but you can still work and finish your earring while that's drying. So now I'm going to take my two chain nose pliers and open up one of my 5.5 millimeter sterling silver jump rings. I want to open a jump ring to the side like this. And I'm going to slip on my bezel pendant. And before I close it, I want to slip on the first part of the Green Girl link. And let's close that up. Okay. Now, the only thing I have left to do is add my ear wire, which I don't like to use two chain nose for. I'm good with one. Make sure you hang it facing front. I didn't open that enough. Open it a little bit more. Slide that on. I know it's going to hang this way. I'm going to close that up. And there you have the red poppy earrings. They're so cute and fun. I think perfect for summer when we're all getting ready for some spring and summer. There you go. You can find all of this and more at fusionbeads.com.